What's up? So, for those of you who don't know, I live on an island where there does not seem to be much to do. And I understand that there's always something to do. You just gotta find it. So, I decided, in trying to find content for this channel, that I would check my Groupon app and see what the hell there is to do on this island. Unbeknownst to me, apparently there's a lot to do. One of the things that sparked my interest for a couple of reasons was a helicopter ride. And because I'm all about living your best life, even if you're not in the best conditions to do so financially or whatever, just seize the day, live your life. Don't let fear stop you from doing anything. That's the whole point of this channel. That's what I want to portray to you guys. And if I'm not experiencing things and trying to face my fears, then what the hell am I doing? So, for those of you who don't know, which nobody does, I have a very big fear of flying. Like commercial planes, it's literally anxiety the entire plane ride, anywhere I go. For most of my life, I've avoided taking planes. So much so that it affected my relationship with my grandmother, who lives in another state, or lived in another state. I hadn't seen her for 2 years because every time I would book a ticket, I would cancel it and get a credit because I was too afraid to get on a flight. So what I'm about to do today, alone, is, in my opinion, crazy, especially when it comes to my fear. I'm excited a little bit, I'm scared, but I know that after everything is said and done, I'm gonna feel a sense of accomplishment. And at the end of the day, it makes for great content on this channel. So, the things we do for YouTube. Oh my god, okay, so look out for the next couple of clips because I'm gonna be in a helicopter. Great. Pray for me. So that's a good sign. See that? 8? It's my favorite number.
These are built by Robinson. They're built in California. It's the most produced helicopter in the world and the most used helicopter in the world. Everyone uses these from instruction to cattle mustering. It's really popular.
Getting brick.
Don't care what you came from, only what you gon' do tonight. This is what we came for. Let's find out what we're made of tonight. The way you rock the dance floor, I can feel your heartbeat on mine. I don't know what I'm in for, but baby, keep it going. I don't mind. We dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching.
So that was incredible. I hope you enjoyed that. I am definitely going to do that again because being up there, first of all, I don't know if you guys saw from the footage that I got, but being up there in the 2-seater helicopter, it's literally like a Jetson car. The only thing that's separating you from the sky is a piece of glass, which is crazy. I had no idea that that was what it was, but there's something about facing your fears that really just, I feel I'm like on top of the world right now. I feel so accomplished, and I feel like I've done something incredible today. And it may not be a big deal to anybody else, but the whole point of this vlog particularly was for me to face my fears, have something cool to do and show you guys, and most of all, send a message to everybody and let you guys know that if you're afraid of something, whatever it is you're afraid of, go out and tackle it. That's the only way that you're going to experience life. You can't let your fears stop you from living. And for a very long time, especially when it came to flying, I let my fear of flying debilitate me and keep me from seeing the people that I loved the most. And before I knew it, that person was taken from me. And in hindsight, you start to say to yourself, wow, had I just gotten on that plane those couple of times, had I not canceled my ticket, I would have seen my grandmother more. I would have seen my uncle before he passed away one more time. And yeah, it's just living in fear is just not the way to live. We were not made to live that way. So if you got nothing else from this vlog, just know whatever you're afraid of, if it's starting your own business even, it doesn't have to be something like, you don't have to go out and bungee jump. I made a commitment to myself when 2017 started, in the worst depression of my entire life, to do something every single day that scares the shit out of me. And doing this and pursuing my dreams, every single day I wake up shitting my pants because I'm afraid of where this is gonna lead. But also taking a chance on getting in a helicopter by myself, alone, nobody was with me, and conquering that, to me, in my experience, my journey, is a huge step, and I'm proud of myself. And I hope if you're watching this, you're inspired to go out and face your fears. That's it. That's really it. Whatever it is, don't let it keep you from living. And maybe you'll find that those things that you're most afraid of, if you just face those things they'll lead you to the most incredible experiences of your life. I faced my fear getting on a plane, and I've flown all my life, by the way, but I've faced my fears getting on a plane to go to Mexico, and never been out of the country before. And I said, no, I'm not gonna let this fear stop me. And I got on a plane, I went to Mexico, and it was one of the best times I ever had. So this, you know, never been in a helicopter, it's something different. I don't know, I'm in a different place right now. I was pooping my pants when this video started, and now I'm home and I can reflect, and I'm feeling very philosophical right now. That's the end of the vlog. I love you all very much. And again, if you took nothing else from this video, just know that no matter what it is you're afraid of, if it's physical, if it's mentally starting something new, just know that it's not as bad as it seems. And on the other side of that fear is something beautiful waiting for you to experience it or have it. So that's that. Until next time, I love you all very much. Stay real, stay smiling, stay wonderful, stay adventurous. Peace out.